Okay, I got the kittens inside. Put them in this box. They are just soaked to the bone. They're very, very cold. They're very, very dirty. They've had a very, very tough start in life. Come on, baby. I know, honey. I know, baby. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, little kids. Come on. Let's get you dry and warm. Come here, little baby kid. Okay. Hi, little baby kids. Oh, my goodness, you guys are so dirty. It's soaked to the bone. All right, I got to get these kids dry. I'll talk to you in a minute. This little kid is just going to town. You getting full? There we go. That's a good sign. It's a good sign.